Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunday Marker, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate. If you want to type something in a different language that you even don't understand, or you want to send you want to prepare a document for someone who doesn't understand your language, what can help you here is Google Translate. Now, supposing you are typing a Word document, but the person do not understand your language, or the person just knows what Spanish, but you are here just you know English and you don't know Spanish, but the person you are sending the document to knows only Spanish. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to open your Google Translate. Now let us go into details. Now you can come and click on this. Now this is my Google account. I have looked into it a long time ago. Now what we're going to do, let us begin again. Now let us open Google. Now the easiest way to do this, we can click on what we can type Google Translate. Google Translate. Now here we are. Now you want to type something in Spanish, but you don't know Spanish. You want to type something in French, but you don't know French. Now what we're going to do, you come and just type what you want. Now let me say my name. My name is Sunday Marker. I live in Uganda. You see this? Now you are typing in English. Now it's automatically changing it to what? To Spanish. Now you can even change language. There are very many languages here. Now you can change it into Acholi. You see, it's here. There are very many list of languages here. You can come and select any. You see all these, there are languages. Very many. Any language you want, you just come and click on it. Now, remember what I said earlier on. The person knows what? The person knows Spanish, but doesn't know what English. Now, for you know English, but you don't know Spanish. Now you are going to type here in English, and it would help you translate it directly into what? Into Spanish. Now you can simplify your work by typing your document. Typing your document in English, and then you copy that document from there, and then you come and paste it here. Then you will get the translated form here. Now, supposing we are now doing the work in the document, you can come and type all your work here in the Google Translate, and then it will translate it into Spanish. Now for you to take it back into your document, you just come and select all this. Okay, now you just copy it. Now you open your Word, your document. Now here you just come and you come and paste it here. You see, your work is simplified. You typed in English, but it has been translated into into Spanish. That's simply how we can do it. Okay, so anything, any language. I told you that it just as any language. Now you can even change your language. Supposing you know only Acholi, you come and click on there are very many languages here. You can click on Acholi and you type your language. You type what you want, you type it here, and you translate to any language. Okay, you just type anything, any language here, then it will automatically help you translate it into the language you want. So there is no need to panic about, I know this language, I don't know this. You can send anything, you can talk to, you can communicate to anyone in different part of the world. Even if you don't know, even if you don't speak common language, you can talk to each other through text. That's simply how to do it. So members, thank you for watching. Remember to like my video, share it with your friends. You can also add comments in the comment section. So see you in the next video. This is simply how you can translate your word. You translate everything into a different language you want. So have a nice day.